And the road is dark and lonely, and the weight is on my soul. Every step feels like a mountain, every tear begins to fall. I don't see the way before me, but I know I'm not alone. Through the valley and the shadows, Lord, you lead me safely home. You carry me through the storm when my strength is gone. You hold my heart, you keep me strong through the night so long. Every trial, every pain, Lord, you stay the same. I will trust in you always. You care.